Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free GitHub certification worth of $200. This is a Copilot plus Foundation certification are there, and this is a student offer 2025 to 2026. So great news for students. The free student voucher for GitHub certification is back and now included in the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So this is for your golden opportunity to earn globally recognized GitHub credential completely free of cost. With this offer, verified student can claim one free voucher worth of $200, which can be used for either the GitHub Copilot certification or GitHub Foundation certification exam. So voucher validity is current voucher are valid until the June 30th, 2026. So don't miss out. In this video, we'll learn guide you to the step by step through the entire process of joining the GitHub Student Developer Pack, verifying your student status, claiming your free certification voucher, redeeming it to your GitHub certification exam, and offering highlights is that 100% free of for verified students worth of $200. Choose between the Copilot or Foundation certification officially issued by GitHub. Don't wait, watch for the full video and get a free GitHub certification voucher today. So this is the link for the Foundation and Copilot link. So let me open this link. So this is the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and if you go down, all offer about the GitHub certification offer 2025, getting the GitHub credential in resounding endorsement that validates your skill, credibility, and knowledge of the world most widely adopted AI powered developer platform. So offer is there, showcase your expertise with the GitHub credential. Verified student get one voucher code for one either the foundation or copilot GitHub certification exam. Current coupon expire on June 30th. So this is the main thing, and we'll go through that. And only one voucher you will get, and you need to the verified student account for that. So let me check with that. So sign up for the student verified account. Just log in with your credentials. So logged in. Here you can start your application. So student educational benefit, teacher or student application, unlock tool, resource your educational journey. So start your, here you are the teacher or student, give your name of the school or college. So just like I am giving some name. So National Institute of the NIT Jamshedpur. So we require the application of this one those email address to apply. So apply will be like this. So your email will be like this. After login and process this one, I'll show you the process. So process I have already gone through the discussion. Let me open this. So here there is start an application. We was on this page. After doing this one, you have to submit all the details. It Okay. You will submit all the details. After submitting these details, you will get a page like this. I'll show you my page. So let me open my developer pack. So this is the account. Okay. Let me go to that page. Mm. So this is the education GitHub education page. There is a we are just starting an application. After doing this one, this is inside the billing and licensing here, and if you expand this, so you will get a page like this, and there is a option whatever the benefits are coming, you can able to check this. So student developer pack benefits. So click here. So this is the student developer pack, and here in the last all offers, inside the offers you will get a coupon code. So copy the coupon code. This is the my code, it won't work for you. So you need a verified student account, just remember that. You can go through this one and process this one. You have to provide the email address, then continue, share the location, and continue, and this will be, it will give you the page like this. So after completing, after success, click on here and GitHub dashboard. So we have done this one. Now new to GitHub learn. So discover this one. So already we are logged in. So sign in this and go to the first page. You go through the step by step all the process, and I'll show you the process. So sign in, create an account, you have done. So all the step, let me see. Okay. Now I'm going to schedule the exam. So this is my coupon code. Okay. So use this code at GitHub offer site. So let me learn. This is a dashboard. So I have to complete this, and country, my email address, work email address. Let me check, give this email address. Save profile, profile updated. Now let me search. I'm going to schedule this exam. Where is this? GitHub Copilot Certification. This is a better than the foundation exam. So go through this, open this, and last you'll get the $99 India schedule. Fill up the form, submit. So here the two options are there. Select your exam options. You can go through the take your exam in person at test center or online the on view. So I'm going through the on view. Click on next. Okay, which one I have selected? Let me check again. So I'm going to the online mode. So click on the online mode. Next, English. Next, select all the three. Okay. Click on next. So these are the terms and policies. Just select all the policies. Read step by step all the things, and just select this and go to the agree. English. So that's right. I'm from Asia and Kolkata. So check one date before June 30th. I'm going through Jan 31st. I'm taking, and this is the explore more time. Evening. I'm taking 7 p.m. Book this appointment. So appointment selected past, allow 90 days window. So before 2026, so 90 days window is there. Before 2 Jan, I have to select. So again I have to let me select this. So this will be in December. I'm taking 20th. Explore more timings. Evening 7 p.m. As per your choice, you can go through the timing. Proceed. Voucher code. Let me get the voucher code. This is my voucher code. Okay. Click on apply. So INR is 0 now. So I have used that voucher and this is the estimated total we due is 0 rupees. So click on next. So other details are there. So submit order. So we got all the details. So now you can go for the system, run the system test before going for the online exam. Just go through the system test and do this thing. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free GitHub certification worth of $200, and this is a Copilot plus Foundation certification is there. So student offer is there. So you have to log in, you have to register and verify as a student for that, and step by step follow the process. And share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.